First possession.
Ay, pumasok sa puwet.
Kevin shoot. Number 7 for points. Our house. Number 1. One in the shoot.
Bilisan! Bilisan! Bilis kilos!
Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Personal foul.
Isa lang! Isa! Isa! Tut!
Say more.
Yes!
The ones number 16.
Yun! Defense! 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 Yun! Defense! Oh!
Jersey number 25.
Nice one!
First personal foul. Second team foul. Score 2-ball.
May lang, maraparting sugal.
One more! Get the ball!
Foul jersey number 2. First personal foul. First team
Si Ray
foul.
dapat lalong niya pa niyan mula.
Oh! Get the ball! Diretso! Uy, ginawa.
Number 5 for number 18. Good. Number 8 for 1.
Diba, kanawa, ilang igawas ang bola. Wala, iya. Get the ball!
Basta ka piki, gawas.
Yes!
Ay, ginawa.
Still by number 25.
Pass properly! Iya.
Number 17. Score 4-2.
Pass! Pass!
Any violation?
Umabot siya sa red. Gawas yan. Gawas.
Pressure! Pressure! Hazel! Hazel! Nice one! All the way! All the way! Ako yung ginuha. Ayaw, takot sila na. Pasa pa
Number
na.
2. Arouse.
Right foot man.
Coach A basketball.